Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So ayan, bago tayo makumpisa, pag-click na lang yung like, comment, then subscribe para sa susunod na pag-upload ko, ma-notify ko kayo. So ayan, maraming salamat. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Tap new project, then input your photo. Then click overlay, then add overlay, then input this effect guys. So don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment in this video. You can check the description, I will download it. Then click the intro video, then go to chroma key, then adjust the color picker, then also the intensity and shadow. Then click the photo, then adjust it. So just follow the sequence in the video guys. Then click text, then input your channel name. Then go to font, then English, click English, then select this one, and then also the color of the text, you can change it. So select the best color. Then after select the best color, click animation, then then input this one, dissolve down. So that's it guys. Then adjust the speed. Then click overlay, then add overlay, input this one guys, the subscribe button, so you can check the description, then download it. Then go to chroma key, then adjust the intensity, so likewise the shadow if you want to adjust. Then go to effects, click effects, then video effects, then input this by the fireplace effect. And then adjust it. Now click the object, then at the middle. So that's it guys, see you in my next tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night,